Sorry, friend. So it has got struck my nostrils. Thank you. Okay. So yes. So Kamalagar, whatever you said is correct. So that dashboard, that roles will govern these dashboards automatically.
Sure.
So
Thank you.
when you assign that role, automatically these dashboards will be available for the end users accordingly. So any other questions from anyone?
Well, Vamshi, this is Srinivas T. So these dashboards are available irrespective of the platform model, like, whether it is SaaS or IaaS or
Yes,
PaaS,
yes, yes.
they are available for configuration.
Right. So not available for configuration, sir. These are available for end users, whatever the platform is. And if you want to modify these dashboards, yes, you can do that across all the platforms. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Because I understand from the demo discussion yesterday, SaaS model does not allow any configurations or any changes,
No, no,
right?
no, 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 no. SaaS model will not allow you to do the integrations.
Okay.
So this is not an integration, right?
So this,
It is a configurable dashboard where you
okay.
can change the alignment.
I see. I see. So this is within the application, so that is the reason it is allowed.
Right.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
Right. So any other questions? Satish Garu, you are able to follow or not? Do you have any questions? Right. So Ajay Garu, please enable mute. Thank you. So Ajay Garu, you are late bit, but we just started. We just started about the Oracle Cloud product features.
Okay.
Among that, this is one of the best feature that is available, called role-based dashboards. So you remember we discussed the responsibility has got changed to data role. Based on that data role, whatever you are assigning to the user, so this the dashboards according to that role will be automatically given to that user, and these dashboards will contain a very information which needs and attention of the end users. Say for example, you created a journal and it has got error out. Posting was error out, and you overlooked it and you did not seen it that it is getting error out. So you continued after long time, after later. So you want to, when you see that there are a lot of journals that are getting error out. So to overcome that situations, so the journals which needs your attention will be given in a dashboard, and whenever you open the application, that dashboard will populate you what are all the journals that are erroring out and what are all the journals that requires your attention. So you won't miss them till the end of the year. So that kind of journal dashboards will be available. Sorry, that kind of role-based dashboards are available in Fusion Cloud. Is that clear?
Fusion only or OTBI?
In Fusion.
Okay.
Okay. That OTBI dashboards are different, and this is a Fusion dashboards. Okay.
Fusion dashboards. Okay.
Shall we proceed?
Yeah, sure.
Right. Right. Along with these dashboards, there are OTBI called operational reporting. So your operational reporting, such as payables or receivables or any other kind of reporting requirements if you have, so all those operational reporting can be achieved through OTBI reports. And here you can build the dashboards also as well in the OTBI. So Ajay Garu, you have asked about the OTBI. So that's the reason I have opened this. So you can see what is this OTBI. So you can design this OTBI reports without any IT help. You don't require any IT help to design these OTBI reports. IT help means no technical person required to build this reports. and real-time ad hoc reports. So these reports are work on the real-time data. So that means you created the report and graphical report. If you update the data, system will automatically update the report as well with the new transactions that you created. That is why real-time ad hoc reporting is also available. And cross-related business transactions is nothing but you can, when you're building these reports, you can mix multiple cross-related business transactions or business processes together and can build the reports. Say, for example, in payables, invoicing is one business process and payment is another business process. You can join these together and build the report. So that kind of cross-related business processes can be joined together and we can build the reports without any IT help. So this is all about operational reporting. Any questions?
Vamshi, what exactly is OTBI standing for?
Online Transactional Business Intelligence.
Okay, so it's part of the out-of-the-box reporting functionality.
Yes, which is nothing but BI. So you people might have already worked with the BI or Hyperion reporting tools where you can build the reports and you can see the reports in a graphs, right?
And I did not work much in Hyperion system, but outside of it, I worked on a couple other business intelligence products, not in the Hyperion.
Right. Forget whatever it is. So whatever the business intelligence you've worked, so how that the business intelligence will get the data? So is that a real-time data that you're going to get, or you need to run the ETL process every day and then only the data will get updated in BI?
All right.
Yeah, we need to run ETL processing. Yeah.
Right. We need to run the ETL process every end of the day or every weekend so that the data will get updated in your BI tool. Whereas in Fusion, you don't require that.
Oh, I see. I see.
In Fusion, you don't require that. That's the reason I called it as a real-time report. So if you update your transaction, automatically your report also will get updated or your report will get the real time or with updated data.
I see.
So where you need not to run the ETL. So here, okay. So that is the beauty of the BI in Fusion Cloud.
Okay, so all the mapping is all defaulted to the...
Everything is defaulted with the Fusion database.
Fusion database. Okay, so we don't need to trigger any mapping or we don't need to perform any mapping.
Nothing is required. Nothing is required.
Okay. Oh, great. Thank you.
Right. So any other questions from anyone? Satish Gar, do you have any questions? So Srinigar, any questions more?
No, I'm good. Thanks, Andy. Yeah.
Right. So Satish Gar, do you have any questions? Okay. Right. So the next one. So the next reporting tool is nothing but a financial reporting tool or financial reports. We call it as a FR reporting, financial reporting studio, where you're going to build this financial reports. So you remember we have a FSG, financial statement generator, to build our financial statements such as profit and loss account, balance sheet, and other schedules, whatever you required, you're going to build them using the financial statement generator. Am I correct? Now, that has been replaced with Financial Reporting Studio here in Fusion Cloud, and where in Financial Reporting Studio, you can build the reports like this. So you can see this is one of the Financial Reporting Studio that has been built. The report has been built from the Financial Reporting Studio. So what all the features are there in this Financial Reporting Studio? So boardroom quality management reports. So in whatever the format you want this report, you can export that. So you can see, If you want to see in the HTML preview, you can see that. And if you want to export that to a PPT, you can. Or if you want to export that to an Excel, you can. So whatever the format you want, you can export that, or you can get this report in that format. That is the best feature with the financial reporting. And not only that, social collaboration and commentary. Let's say if you look at here, the revenues for September 2010 to September 2009 has got decreased. So September 2009 revenues are more, whereas September 2010 revenues are less. So I want to place a discussion about this. I'm the vice president, or I'm the vice president finance, and I want to place the discussion which includes the sales team and finance team into this, why the revenues has got decreased. So you can initiate a discussion from this report itself. You can initiate a discussion in the cloud, as well as if you want to place a comment on this, you can place a comment using the commentary options. Comment options, you can place a comment, and you can request the explanation from your reporting team. So that kind of social collaboration and commentary facility is there in Fusion Cloud. And interactive data selection. What is this interactive data selection? So if you look at in the top of the report, there is a brown, there is a ash color ribbon is there. So here, in this ash color ribbon, if you look at, there is a, so Balakrishna garu, we have time and we have 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, we will connect back. Okay, so please wait. So this financial reporting here in this ribbon, so this is an interactive dashboard. So if you want to see this report for a particular ledger, click on this and select the ledger, so that report will be updated according to the ledger. Or if I want to see for all the ledgers for a particular cost center across all the companies, for a particular cost center I want to see, so you go and click on the cost center, and whatever the cost center you want to see, select that cost center, so that report will be updated accordingly. So it's an interactive data selection that will be available in Fusion Cloud. The same requirement if you got in EBS. In EBS, you have to run the report multiple times for every ledger you have to run. And it is not an interactive data options that will be available in Fusion Cloud. So that is a feature in the interactive data selections which is available, and real time and drill down. So these reports are real time reports, and where the drill down facility is also available. So this is all about the financial reporting, friends. So we'll stop here because the other session people are joining. So I'll stop here, and tomorrow we'll continue with the spreadsheet integration and all. Okay, how the spreadsheet integration and we will do. Okay, so friends, from tomorrow onwards, please be available at 6:45, so that I will start at 6:45. Okay.
Vamshi, hi Vamshi,
Yeah.
Rajesh here.
Go ahead, Rajesh.
Have you explained the enterprise structure in EBS?
We did not start it yet. It takes time. First, we are looking at the product features that are available, and then we will get into the enterprise structure and all, and then we will configure them. Okay.
And in which release you are going to explain, in release 13 or release?
It is release 13, sir. It is release 13. We are going to take decisions.
Thanks, Vamshi.
Okay. So Kamala gar,
yeah,
go
I
ahead.
just have one question about the timing. So you said 6:45 until 7:30 every day, is it?
Right. For few days and for 1 week till somewhere around 20th, till 20th. That's it.
So, but the normal class would be 6:30 to 7:30.
From then onwards, it will be 6:45 to 8:15 India time.
Yeah, 1.5 hours.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
From 6:45 to 8:15. That is a 1.5 hour session.
So would that be from January 20th?
Yes, from January 20th.
Oh, okay. Great. Yeah.
Okay. Right. So this is what the agreement that we have done yesterday. So accordingly, we'll continue. Okay.
All right.
Right.
Thanks. Thanks, Vamshi.
Right. Right,
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you. Shweta garu, right అండి. You're correct. You're correct. Those people are for old batch. Right. So thank you, friends. Thank you very much. So Balakrishna garu, Abhi garu, you just rejoin. Thank you.
Vamshi garu, I think I have one question. I'll just text you offline probably if when you get a chance.